Hello guys and welcome back to our channel AutoZone India. Today we are going to do a review of all new Bajaj Dominar 250. But before that, those who are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel AutoZone India. Also don't forget to watch the video till end so that you will not miss any of the information related to the Bajaj Dominar. It's been quite a few years when the Bajaj Dominar 400 has been launched. It has changed the total scenario of touring in India. After the success of Bajaj Dominar 400, Bajaj has offered a new segment in this Dominar section. The 249cc DOHC engine of Bajaj Dominar 250, which delivers you 27 PS power and 23.5 Nm of torque, along with an upright sitting stance for stress-free riding, making the Bajaj Dominar 250cc the perfect machine for both the city and highway. Talking about the performance, the Bajaj Dominar 250 comes with an liquid-cooled 248.77cc engine. It gives you a power of 27 PS and a torque of 23.5 Nm, paired with an 6-speed gearbox and a slipper clutch. The lightweight forged crankshaft and high-speed gear train adds more power with every twist of the throttle. Talking about the styling of this vehicle, it comes with an premium body colors, Canyon Red and Charcoal Black. Spark excitement upside down USD front forks reinforce the sports tourer form. Improved mirror design create a modern appeal to the front, and the twin barrel exhaust impart an imposing power cruiser feel to the machine. Talking about the control, it comes with an twin channel ABS and 300 mm front disc brake. Complemented with radial capillary mounting provides class-leading braking performance and efficiency. Together with the USD front fork, it guarantees confidence across any riding condition. Hairpin bends or sudden halts, ride with fearless precision. Talking about the comfort, the new 37 mm upside down front forks provide better handling and comfort, along with a powerful muscular look. Empower yourself with agility while weaving at low speeds or tackling fast sweeping corners with composure. Twin barrel exhaust adds a throaty exhaust note with a heavy bass, emphasizing the sports tourer feel. Talking about brakes and tires, it comes with an front and back dual channel ABS. Front is 300 diameter disc and the rear one is 230 diameter disc, which helps in an ultimate control. Talking about the tires, it comes with an tubeless tire. The front tire is 100 by 80, 17 inches, and the rear one is 130 by 70, 17 inches. Talking about the dimensions of the vehicle, the length of the vehicle is 2156 mm, width is 836 mm, and the height is around 1112 mm. It comes with an wheelbase of 1453 mm. The ground clearance of the vehicle is 157 mm, which is good for an touring and off-roading as well. The curb weight is 180 kg. Idle height is 800 mm and fuel capacity is 13 liters. Talking about the electricals part, the vehicle comes with a battery of 12 watts. Headlamp is LED with AOH 10 units. It comes with a speedometer of a digital split console. Talking about the chassis, it comes with a beam type perimeter frame chassis. Talking about this vehicle, I personally feel that Bajaj Dominar 250 fills the gap between 150 to 400cc vehicles. Considering it comes with an 250cc engine, has a great competition with TVS Apache RTR 250 Bajaj Pulsar 200, Bajaj Pulsar 220 of the same company, Honda CBR 250, and so on. Even this bike has a cutthroat competition with Classic 350, as both the bikes are always comparable, though both are from different segments, but still comparison is going on. Also, this vehicle comes with a price bracket of around 1,60,000, which is up to the mark considering the overall segment, and has a competitive edge towards its rivals. I hope so far you had liked the information shared about Dominar 250. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel AutoZone India. Thank you.